What it do, what it do. Thank you for watching Tuesday's Tip of the Day. My name is Larry Williams. I truly believe success is different for everyone, but everyone can be next to get theirs. Let's go, bam. You know what? I'm about to put these sunglasses on because it is bright today. So I'm on this series. I'm on this blog right now, breaking down next to get, what every letter means in next to get. So last week I did N, which was for next. So today I'm doing E, which is for empower. And there's three things, well, there's more than three, but there's three things I want to talk about. One is believing in yourself. You know, we have to have self motivation. We have to have self-love. Like, we have to believe in ourselves. A lot of times some people have, someone that's pushing them, right? And that helps. But if you don't believe in yourself, it really doesn't matter whether you have someone pushing you or not. So you have to believe in yourself. You have to believe you can get to that destination that you want to go to. And the only way to get to that destination is by just do it. You got to just do it. You know, it's so funny. If you look at a Nike commercial, any of them, when they talk about just do it, they don't ever show anybody that didn't do it. They always show somebody at the top of their game when it comes to sports, wherever they are, at the top of their game. And it's because they just did it. They did it. They didn't wait for the perfect time. And that's what our problem is. Sometimes we're trying to wait for the perfect opportunity for our business plan to be just right. No, just do it. Start it, and then you get there. Start it, and then you'll get to your destination. Just do it. All right? And then the last one is keep moving forward. And what I mean by that is, so many times we play the victim. If something don't go right, if or we see someone else get the success we want, we play the victim. Well, how come that ain't me? All the stuff I done been through, how come it ain't happening for me? Sometimes we'll try to put it on God. No, don't play the victim. One thing I've learned is we all go through stuff. Every last one of us. Everybody on this earth goes through something. But in reality, there's always someone going through something worse than you. So don't play the victim, all right? Keep your mind right. Stay focused. Unleash your greatness. Be next to get your success. I know some people watching me right now I cannot see because the glare is like crazy, but thank you for watching. Tune in for next week when I talk about the X, which is powerful. Woohoo! The X is powerful. So be next to get your success. Let's go. Bam! Let's get it in. Love y'all. Ha ha.